Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel, Talk English with Dr. Surekha. Do you want to speak English fluently but you struggle to be consistent? Then this video is for you. Today, in this video, I am going to tell you how to build a habit of English speaking in 21 days step by step. You don't need to be perfect, but you need to be consistent. Have you heard the phrase that it takes 21 days to build a habit? It is based on the idea that repetition creates routine. So, if you speak English for 5 minutes on daily basis, your brain will accept it as a normal. So that's why you have to speak English on daily basis. That's the secret. Daily practice, no excuses. Let us break these 21 days in 3 weeks. In first week, what will be the goal? Build the routine. In this week, you have to set a routine in order to practice English speaking. You have to spend at least 5 minutes on daily basis without taking break, and in this week you have to create such kind of a routine and you have to speak. Don't think about grammar, don't think about your mistakes, just try to speak English. Try to talk about your daily routine or small sentences like I am having tea right now. Make small sentences about your daily routine, about your daily activities, and set timer for 5 minutes. You have to spend only 5 minutes for your routine and you have to speak for that 5 minutes. But you have to speak without fail on daily basis. No judgment, no excuses. You have to speak, you have to spend 5 minutes on daily basis. In this week, you have to create a routine. In the second week, you have to add real life practice. It means, what is the goal of this week? You have to build connection and courage. In this week, you have to go a step ahead of your daily routine. What you have to do? You have to record your own voice and listen that voice, and you will find where you get stuck, whether with the words or with the grammar, you will find your own faults. Or you can find a partner, like somebody is learning speaking English, then connect with that partner and try to communicate on daily basis. Spend 10 minutes for that and try to communicate with that person. You can ask him small questions like how was your day today, or what are you doing now. Like this, you can ask some question to your partner and he will also answer, and then he will also ask some questions to you and then you have to answer. So in this way, you have to practice in real life situation. One more thing you have to do, if you are recording videos, then you have to save your videos. Why? Because after 3 weeks, when you see first video and the video after 3 weeks, you will find a lot of improvement in you. So that's why don't delete first videos. Find out your own improvements through those videos. In the third week, challenge yourself to use English wherever it is possible for you. What is the goal of this week? To build fluency and confidence. For that, what you have to do? You have to practice English wherever you go. Suppose you have gone to the restaurant, try to speak in English. Suppose you have gone to the shop, try to speak in English. Message your friends or whoever may be in English only, or comment on social media posts in English only. So wherever possible, you have to write English or speak English. In this way, you can build your confidence and you will build habit of speaking and writing English. One more thing you have to do is that you have to keep a short diary. For what? One thing is that you have to write on daily basis whatever you have said in English. The second thing is that you have to write in that diary is you have to write those things where you have stuck. The third thing you have to write in that diary is which new words you have learned on daily basis. So for that, keep a short diary, and this diary also help you to improve your English speaking. The most important thing you have to do is you have to create a habit tracker. Take a paper, create 21 boxes on it, and whenever you speak, you put tick mark on that day and track your habit. Every day, whenever you speak, you have to put a tick mark in that box. This will also track your habit, or you can use habit tracker apps in order to track your habits. So these are the things you have to do in 3 weeks, and you will build a habit of English speaking. And not only you will build a habit, but you will start speaking fluently and confidently in English. So in first week, you have to build a routine. In the second week, you have to record your voice or practice with the partner. In the third week, you have to make use of English in real life situations. In these 3 weeks, you can become somewhat confident and fluent speaker of English. Try to build a habit in 21 days, like I said, and track your habits. Never keep 2 days in a row. You will not build a confidence just by waiting. You have to start speaking. So start right now. If you like this video, hit subscribe and like button and leave a comment. I am starting my 21-day habit of English speaking right now. I will personally help you. If you need video on any other topic, leave that topic in the comment. I will make a video on that. Bye. See you in the next video.